guys, it's Angela and welcome to my channel where I do all kinds of unboxings, reviews, and hauls, everything related to fashion, beauty, and wellness. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, stick around. I'll be right back. So today, what we're doing is we are taking a look at my top 8 most worn Stitch Fix items of 2019. But before we do that, I have got to show you a couple of probably my most worn items that aren't even Stitch Fix. Now, some of these items are coming from other boxes, and one, in particular, this item, I'm gonna give you a little bit better of a look, came from Amazon. I have gotten so much use out of this sweatshirt. I wore this so much in the spring, summer, fall, you name it. This was probably my most worn piece that I would grab for most often out of my closet this whole year. So I'm gonna give you some detail on this. And then I wanted to show you also, this is a tribute to Nadine West, because you know what? I'm gonna say, even though I don't subscribe to Nadine West anymore, you're gonna see I got a couple of really good items that I wore a lot this summer from Nadine West. And these are one of my favorite pairs of earrings. They came from Nadine West. They're gold and they're just so dainty and very light, but perfect length for my hair, and I just love them. I grab for these probably more than any other earring that I have right now. So I do have to say a thank you to Nadine West for a couple of my favorite items that I ended up getting last year. So without further ado, let's get to the try-ons, and I'm going to show you guys these items. So here's a closer-up view of what Amazon is calling a sweatshirt. Now, this is very lightweight. It's really not a sweatshirt at all. It's kind of like a long sleeve shirt. I love this. They have many patterns to choose from. So it has a hood, which I never wear, but you know, it's there if you like it. And I love the pattern on this. This is what they're considering a dark gray. To me, it looks more like a country blue in person, and I love the floral print on here. It does have a unipocket in the front. It's got kind of a gray band around the bottom and around the sleeves, and it is, you know, good length on the sleeves, although I always tend to do this. I don't know why. I'm kind of just one of those people that just like everything out of the way. So it does have these drawstrings that kind of can get annoying just hanging there, but I don't know, it just kind of blends in with everything, so not a big deal. But yeah, this was my favorite piece probably. I pulled for more than anything out of the whole year, and I got so many compliments on this top. And I'm gonna give you the information on this top, so stay tuned. Here comes a picture of the item, the name. It was, when you look it up, it was $20. $20 for this. So that's the first item I wanted to show you. The next item, so I must have been the last person, one of the last people, to get into the high-waisted jean trend. I just don't know what I was thinking. I just was like, I'm not doing it. I like my mid-rise jean, right? And finally I broke down. I think these came in a box. I wanna say maybe trunk. They're articles of society, love the lighter wash, and the bottoms have got this really kind of raggedy, jaggedy edges. And I love that because when you wear booties with these, or even like little tennies, it's a great look at the bottom of these jeans with all the ripping going on and stuff. It's really cool. So the high-waisted, I love these. I've worn these so much. I don't know the exact name of this Articles of Society pant or jean, but I'm sure that you could take a look and, you know, find them if it's something that you're interested in. I wish I had a picture that I could share with you guys and let you know what the exact name was. But anyway, probably my most worn jeans, at least this whole fall. And I'm so glad that I got onto the high-waisted jean trend finally, right? And it's probably gonna go out now. So anyways, so here were the first couple of items that weren't Stitch Fix, but now we're gonna get to Stitch Fix. All right, Stitch Fix item number 1. So this is not in any particular order of how much I wore each thing. I have no idea. I never counted. So I'm just saying the things that I pulled for the most that are my favorite. This leopard print top, oh, I just love it. I love the coloring in here, that it's muted. It's more of a muted leopard print than a real like bam, brown, you know, and kind of mustardy leopard print. Love this. Love the V-neck, short sleeve of course. So in the summertime, I really got a lot of use out of this just with jeans, and I'll show you what I added to it for fall to really make it kind of pop. So this is a cardigan that I got from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, Leith. And I don't really remember how much this was, but I love this color. You're gonna see a theme here with my favorite items, the coloring of them. I am so in love with this kind of color. It's my favorite. So just like an elf, how he said, Christmas is my favorite. Or no, he said, smiling is my favorite. So pink is my favorite. Anyways, I love this color combination together. I think it looks really pretty. I think it makes the leopard print pop a little bit, and I love it with the light colored jean. So probably one of my favorite cardigans, and with this combination, it makes a cute outfit with a little pair of booties. I've got a light pair of Toms that are kind of like a beige that is perfect with this coloring. Makes a great outfit. So here's the second item, and I'm telling you, this was a surprise item. This sweater came in one of my boxes, and I was not really sure I was even gonna get a lot of use out of it. I think this was a 5 for $5 box, and this was one of the items I'm like, well, I'll either give it to somebody else or maybe I'll wear it. I've been pulling for this so much this fall, and especially the holiday season. Just a really pretty color, pretty pattern. Nice lightweight sweater, not too heavy, and so I have really liked this sweater. Oh, Bentley's getting upset. I've really surprised myself on how much I ended up liking this sweater. And let me show you what it looks like with another Stitch Fix item that's been my favorite. And this puffer jacket by Mark New York is another one of my favorites because it's so versatile. You can put this over a lot of different things, and it just gives it a little pop of color, a little warmth. It's not something that you know is going to keep you really warm, but it just adds a little something. And I love the pattern in this jacket, the quilting, the hardware, the ability to snap this tighter in the back. So this has been another favorite item. So this is item number 3. I've worn it with a couple of different tops, and I'm going to show you another outfit that I wear it with a lot, but it's just been a great piece. All right, here we go with the next 2 items. So this top, I want to say I got this in the fall, and I just love this color. It's kind of like a plum, a really pretty plum color with this twist front. And one thing I really like about this is how much it kind of comes down in the back. It's not real short, so I can kind of pull it down a little bit more. Love the feel of this top. It's really soft. And then of course these jeans. Who can forget, if anybody saw my Stitch Fix unboxing, getting these snake skin democracy jeans. I love these jeans. I love the way they fit. Democracy is a great brand. I have another pair that are camo actually, that I don't pull for as much, or haven't at least anyway, as of yet. And I just love the way that they fit. They don't gap in the back. And I love the little zipper details that they have on the sides. There's no distressing in the pants, which is kind of nice for pattern pants like that. And so these have been another one of my favorites. So let me show you with that jacket, or I should say vest. Here is another look with the vest, incorporating that. And now you've kind of got another outfit. I like the different kind of colors going on here. You've got the gray snakeskins with the plum. With this is kind of like an eggplant color, a real dark eggplant. It can look kind of dark gray on camera, but it is more of an eggplant. So I wear these with a pair of black kind of combatish Uggs. And it's a great outfit. It's nice to just walk around the mall, you know, something kind of cute and stylish and trendy, but without being overly dressy. All right, so now we're heading back to summertime. This skirt was the Stitch Fix item. It's a really comfortable material. Love the pattern on this skirt. It goes with navies. You could wear it with cream, white color, or this pinkish color, which again is one of my favorites. And it's got pockets on the side. Love the length of this skirt. It's not too short. Very comfortable to wear around for summer. With a little pair of tennies on or sandals, it's perfect. So, and then another tribute to Nadine West. I actually wore this shirt a lot. So love the color of this shirt. And cold shoulders are kind of probably going out. I do kind of still like them a little bit. Maybe when it comes to next summer, I will be looking at other choices. But this summer, I seem to get a lot of use out of this. And it is kind of a tunic. So to wear it with this, you would hardly see the skirt. So I just kind of knotted it on the side, give it a little extra pizzazz. And this is a great little run around, go to the grocery store, whatever, run your errands kind of outfit. Again, going back to summertime. Maybe you guys have a vacation coming up in the spring or January, February time, and you're looking for some really nice pieces to take with you to a very warm tropical area. Get away from this kind of cold and snow and all that kind of stuff. So, another two Stitch Fix items that were my absolute favorite this summer. These shorts, perfect length. They are the Liverpool shorts. They are pull on. I like that it's got just a little V here. They're frayed at the bottom. And for me, it's a great length. So I would pull for these quite a bit this summer and just wear them with like flat little tennies. And then this top, love this top. I don't know if it's like a tank top or a workout top or whatever, but it is kind of got this ombre effect going on where it kind of goes from this gray to like a navy blue at the bottom. Love the crisscross detail in the back. And it's just a really comfortable tank top, perfect for hot weather. It's got a built-in bra, so you don't have to worry about wearing, anything underneath it. So it's a great tank top. So let me show you something that I think may work to put on over this for days that are a little bit chillier, or maybe you go into evening and now it's a little chilly outside. This cardigan, I love this cardigan. This was from Wannable, and I have gotten a lot of compliments on this because it is unique. So it's this kind of, it's got this gathering here, but it only goes to the front. It does not go gathered in the back. And I love this little rounded hem at the bottom. And this I kind of just tie in a little bow. It's very lightweight, great color. And it just adds a little bit of something with giving you just a little warmth as well. The sleeves for me, I love this kind of get the sleeves out of the way thing. This would be great just to kind of throw on when it gets just a little chillier out. Even though those were my last two Stitch Fix items, don't go away because I'm sharing a couple of more of my favorite dresses that I wore this summer. So stick around. All right, for all y'all looking for a very comfortable, casual dress, look no further. This dress is by Gilly, and I got it from my mix and match box, one of them in the summertime. It is such a comfortable, very casual dress. Again, throw on with a little tennies. I love the color of this. This is one of my favorite colors. It fits really well. So just love it. And I loved it so much and wore it so much that I ended up buying a second. So same thing from Mix and Match. They just realized I love the first one so much. They sent me another one and it was mine. All right, here is the last item that was one of my favorites of the summer that I wanted to share with you. This dress is also by Gilly. It also came from my Mix and Match box. And this is a perfect going out to dinner, going to a shower maybe, wearing on a cruise. This is just a really fun, I love the style of this dress and how it lays. I love the length. It's not too short. And I'll give you a close-up of this pattern. It's a really pretty, kind of like orangey red with like some blue and white. And I just love this, the top of this. You can still wear a regular bra, so you don't have to worry about that. Just love how fitted it looks and how it comes in at the waist and flares out. The back, here's the back. And then just to add a little something, I would throw on a jean jacket just to kind of give it a little pizzazz. And now you have a little bit of a different look. So this was just one of my favorite kind of go-to dresses. You need to be a little dressier, but not too dressy. And it's just a very comfortable dress. So I'm happy for Mix and Match for a couple of my favorite items of the year. So that's what I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys got some ideas maybe to request for yourself from Stitch Fix. Maybe you saw something that you really thought you would get a lot of use out of as well. Or you have a vacation coming up that maybe some of the summer stuff you thought, I'm gonna request that. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I can't wait to share with you all that I have coming in the new year. And so if you like these kind of videos and you're liking my videos, please consider subscribing below so that you don't miss out the next time I post a video. Until I see you guys next time, I hope you're having a great day and week, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Woo! Oh no, you go get your toy. Hey, were you waiting for me to come out? Hey! Are you ready for the video?